As India celebrates the arrival of first 5 Rafale fighter jets, Modi government once again tries to take credit of efforts initiated by the UPA government. The Rafale deal was first initiated by the Congress government in 2012 after the Indian Air Force had demanded these fighter jets. BJP tried all its way to oppose and create hindrances to turn down the deal then. Congress has tweeted to remind that they had first initiated the talks to import Rafale jets from France. Congress tweeted ahead of Rafale landing in Ambala, "We congratulate the Indian Air Force on receiving the Rafale jets. INC government's labor in identifying and purchasing Rafale in 2012 have finally borne fruit." The party then went on to point out the difference between Rafale deal finalized by the Manmohan Singh government and the final deal that was signed by the Modi government. Congress has said the stark difference between the Congress and BJP deal revealed the BJP scam. The Congress Rafale purchase would have ensured India receives 126 jets instead of BJP's 36. 108 Rafale jets would have been made in India. India would have received the Rafale jets by approximately 2016. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has slowly but with sharp focus and political craftiness appropriated much of the Congress-led government's welfare legacy. From Aadhaar to direct benefit transfer scheme and from Manrega to rural housing, the Modi government has made several of the Congress key initiatives its own, helping the BJP project itself as the great savior of rural India. With Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's rural booster shot through an additional 40,000 crore rupees under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, Manrega, a rural job program conceptualized and initiated by UPA government, Modi's dispensation has underscored its commitment to the scheme and to use it to the hilt at the time of an unprecedented crisis. A hold over rural India was the strength of the Congress as a national party, and now Modi government is using Congress's initiatives to lay the ground of its pro-welfare image. Prime Minister Modi has been repackaging most of the UPA initiated schemes and then marketing them as his own initiatives. Just as the Manrega and Rafale deal, the BJP government seems to be more interested in taking credit of the efforts put in by Congress-led government.